Okay, children, let's do the next exercise. Before going into the exercise, what is the procedure? Yes, to read the headings. Tick the correct use of a break in the word. Okay, listen, here a picture and here a two word was given. In the two word there is a partition, they get break. Okay, which break is correct? Okay, which break is correct? Okay, if you are not understand, don't worry. If you do a exercise, then you will get to understand. Okay, look at the picture. What is it? He is artist, isn't it? He is artist. Okay, let's see this. If how you want to divide it? Artist or artist, you want to divide it like this, or you want to divide it like artist. Artist. How you are going to divide it? Artist. This is a correct procedure to break the word. Artist. Artist. Okay. Okay, listen here. He is a monster. Okay, he is a monster. How you are going to break it? Like a monster or like this, or you are going to break monster. Monster. This is a correct way to break a word. Monster. Monster. Okay. Okay, look at the third picture. This is a bucket. Okay, how you are going to divide it? Like a bucket. This is a bucket or basket. Basket. You are having a bucket. 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 This is a correct way to break the word. Bucket. Bucket. Okay. Okay, let's move to this picture. This is a planet. This is a planet. Okay, how you are going to divide it? This is a planet. Planet or planet. Planet. Okay, this is the correct way. Planet. 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 Not a plan yet. Plan yet. It's not. Planet. This is the correct way to break the planet. Okay, listen here. This is a butter. Okay, how you are going to divide it? Like this is a b, this is a ter. Butter. If you divide it like this, then you will want to pronounce it like this. This is a butter. Butter. This is the correct way to break the two word. Butter. Okay. Okay, listen here. This is a snowball, and the two word was given same word, but they break it on the different ways. Listen, the first way is snow ball, snowball, like this you are going to pronounce, or snowball, snowball. How you are going to divide it? Which word breaking is correct? Yes, this one is correct. Snowball. Snowball. Okay. Okay, listen. He is an artist. We divided A-R-T. Artist. I-S-T. Ist. We want to divide it like this. Artist. Artist. Okay, this is a monster. Okay, let's tell me. M-O-N. Monster. S-T-E-R. Monster. And this is bucket. B-U-C-K. Buck. Bucket. Bucket. And this is P-L-A. N-E-T. Net. Planet. Planet. This is butter. B-U-T. Butter. Butter. And this is snowball. Snow. S-N-O-W-E. Snow ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Snowball. Okay. Okay. Let's see the remaining four set of word. Okay. Here the remaining four set of word is given. Let's see what are the picture and what are the words was given. See here. This is a camel. Okay, here the two set of word was given and the break were in two places. The first place is in camel, or here camel, camel. Actual pronunciation is camel. If you are put here, this become a camel. This is not correct one. This is a cam. Camel. This is a correct way to break the camel. Okay, let's see the next picture. This is river. What is this? This is river. Okay, here the two set of word was given. On the first set of word, the break was given in after ri, and in the second word the break was given in after riv. Okay, which one will be the correct? River or river or river. This is the correct way to break the word. River. Okay, let's move to the next one. This is lizard. Okay, here the two word was given. On the first word, the break was given after liza. Okay, and for the second word, the break was given after liz. Okay, which one will be the correct? This is lizard. This is lizard or lizard. This is the correct one. Lizard. Okay, let's move to the next picture. This picture name is napkin. As usual, the two set of word was given, and the first letter, the break was given after nap. Okay, the break was given after nap, and the second word, this is the second word, the break was given after napk. Okay, the break was given after napk. We are going to choose which break is correct. Let's see whether napkin or napkin or napkin. Yes, napkin. Napkin is a correct break. Okay, let's move to this picture. This is pencil. Okay, here the set of two words was given. This is pen. The first break is given after the word pen, that is after the pen. For the second word, the break was given after pe. Okay, the break was given after pe. Okay, we are going to find it out which one is correct. Okay, this is a pencil or this is a pencil. This is a pencil. Yes, this is a correct break. Very good. Here, this is a 15. What is this? 15. Okay, let's see. Here the two set of word was given. On the first word, the break was given after the FIFT. Okay, and for the second word, the break was given after FIF. Okay, which one is going to be the correct answer? Tell me correctly whether 15 or whether 15. Yes, this one is a correct answer. 15. Okay, so far we have seen the camel, isn't it? C-A-M, camel, camel. River, R-I-V, river. Lizard, L-I-Z, lizard, A-R-D, ard. This is napkin, N-A-P, napkin, K-I-N, kin. And this is pencil, P-E-N, pencil, S-I-L, sil. Okay, this is 15, F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. Okay, children, did you got it? Okay, in this exercise, we have studied the correct break of each and every word. Okay, in this exercise, you learn the how to break the given word. Okay, if you break the given word, then it will help you to pronounce a word correctly, as well as it really helps you to write the spelling correctly. Okay, did you understand what is the usage of breaking the word? Okay, did you understand it? Okay, let's move to the next exercise.